Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this 5-minute morning stretch with standing yoga poses. This is a really nice way to start your day with a quick stretch. And also, you don't really need a yoga mat for this, so it's perfect when you're traveling, on the go, or you just need a stretch break. So let's begin. Stand up tall with your feet hip width apart. Lengthen your spine. Then bring your palms together in front of your heart in prayer position. And take 2 deep belly breaths in through your nose. Deep breath out. One more. Big belly breath in through your nose. Exhale, let it all go. Nice. Now circle your arms down, around, and up as you inhale. Exhale, with your right hand, hold on to your left wrist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, side body stretch to your right side. Keep your chest open and keep grounding down through your feet. Keep breathing. Nice lateral stretch to open up your side body. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, switching sides. Left hand holds on to your right wrist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, dive to your left side. And breathe. Lateral stretches are great in the morning. They create space in the torso. They stretch out your spine. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale, release. Inhale, lengthen your arms up. Exhale, open your chest. Arms are in cactus position. Then inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, soften your knees. And fold forward from your hip creases. Standing forward bend. Relax your neck. Keep your knees bent. Then as you inhale, slide your palms up your shins and thighs. Exhale to lower down. See if you can go a little bit deeper. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and breathe into it. Stay in your standing forward bend. We're going to add a twist. Bend your left knee, straighten out your right leg, and rest your left forearm on your left thigh. As you breathe in, reach your right arm up for a twist, twisting your chest to your right side. Another option, if you want to take it a step further, is to place your left fingertips on the ground. So do what feels best for you, and make sure you're breathing. Release on the exhale, switching sides. Lengthen out your left leg and bend your right knee, resting your right forearm on your right thigh. Inhale, reach your left arm up and twist your chest to your left. Take nice deep breaths. Twists are really nice energizers in the morning. Then release as you exhale back to your standing forward bend. On your next inhale, come up halfway, sliding your palms up your shins or thighs. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, come up all the way, circle your arms down, around, and up. Exhale, unite your palms in prayer position in front of your heart. Let's do this flow one more time, a little bit faster. Inhale, circle your arms down, around, and up. Exhale, hold on to your left wrist with your right hand, dive to your right. Inhale, back to center, switching sides. Exhale, dive, side body stretch to your left side. Then inhale, come back to center, release your hands. As you exhale, cactus arms, open your chest, open your upper back. Inhale, reach up, exhale, fold forward, come all the way down. Inhale, come up halfway, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Bend your left knee. As you breathe in, reach your right arm up and choose where you put your left arm or hand. Twist to your right. Exhale to lower down, switching sides. Breathe in and twist open to your left, reaching your left fingertips up. Breathe out, back to your standing forward bend. As you inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. And take a moment here to settle down, neutralize, Feel free to hold on to your opposite elbows. Gently sway from side to side, ragdoll pose. Take one more deep cleansing breath in your standing forward bend. Then release your hands down. Inhale, come up halfway, and exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up all the way, sweeping your arms up. Exhale. Now twist your chest to the right. Lower your left arm down to the front, right arm is in the back, and your arms are parallel with the ground. So standing twist. Inhale, come back to center, same on the other side. Exhale, right arm forward and left arm to the back, rotating your chest to your left. And then inhale, lengthen your arms up. Exhale, slight back bend, open your chest, arms are in cactus position. Inhale, lengthen your arms up, and exhale. Let's seal our practice together. Place your palms together in front of your heart. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to stretch your body. May this practice be a blessing to you. From my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat.